Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We're going to start with grade 1 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab and scroll down to grade 1 math. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter sorting, ordering and classifying, and the lessons we're going to cover today are put numbers in order, count shapes in a Venn diagram, sort shapes into a Venn diagram. So let's just start with the lesson sorting, ordering and classifying. So here I am on grade 1 math. The chapter name is sorting, ordering and classifying. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is put numbers in order. So here I am on the first lesson. So basically you are going to arrange the numbers from least to greatest. The first example is put these numbers in order from least to greatest. Least to greatest means you have to write down the least number first and then you have to move on to the greatest numbers. You have to start writing the least number first, then you have to follow the order from least to greatest. So you have the numbers, they are 28, 18, 30 and 20. So you have to find the number that is the smallest one. So which number is the smallest one out of the four numbers? 18 is the smallest one. The least number is small 18. So you have to write down 18 first. Now you have to look for the other three numbers 28, 30 and 20. Now you have to find again the least number out of these three numbers. So now the least number is 20. So it would be 18, 20. Then you have 18 and 28. You're left with 28 and 30. So 28 is smaller than 30. So the order is 28, 18, 30 and 18, 20, 28 and 30. Got it? You have to arrange them from least to greatest. You have to write down the smallest number first. Got it? Okay. Put these numbers in order from least to greatest. You have to write down the least number first, the smallest number first. So which is the smallest one out of these three numbers? 20 is the smallest one. So 20 would be the first number. Then out of 29 and 27, 27 is smaller. So the second number would be 27 and then third would be 29. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, put these numbers in order from least to greatest 0, 17 and 15. Okay, let me just write them down on board. 0, 17 and 15. Okay, the numbers are 0, 17 and 15. Okay, you have three numbers 0, 17, 15. Which number is the least one? The smallest number, whichever one. 0 is the smallest number. Got it? So you have to write down the 0 first. Okay, now you are left with just 17 and 15. So which number is the least one out of 17 and 15? Yes, it would be 15. And then the next one is 17. So now they are arranged from least to greatest. 0 is the least one and 17 is the greatest one. Got it? So it would be 0, 15 and 17. Option number 2 is the correct option. It would be 0, 15 and 17. Okay, the next one is put these numbers in order from least to greatest 27, 25, 22 and 24. So you have to write down the number that would be the least one, the smallest number. Which number is the smallest one out of the four numbers? It would be 27, 25, 27, 25, 22 and 24. 22 and 24. Okay, which one is the least one? Out of the four numbers, the least one is 22. So that means you have when you are going to arrange them, the first number would be 22. You can remove from this list. Got it? So that you cannot be confused. Okay. Now just look at the three numbers. You have 27, 25, and 24. Which is the least one? Yes, that would be 24. That means the next number in the order is 24. You can remove 24 from this list. Then it would be easier. You can just check from the, now you're left with just two numbers. You can see which number is the least one. That would be 25 and then 27. So when you arrange them in the least to greatest order, it would be 22, 24, 25, and 27. Got it? Yes, very good. 22, 24, 20. It would be option number one is the correct option. Okay, put these numbers in order from least to greatest. So you have to arrange the numbers from least to greatest. You are given the four numbers 10, 14, 5, and 19. So which number is the least one? The smallest number, which one is the smallest one? 5 is the smallest one. Got it? Just look at the options. Here in this option, you have 5 at first position, and here you have 5. Okay, now remove the 5 from list and just see which is the least from the from out of the list rest of the three numbers. It would be 10. Got it? Then you have 10, then you have 14, and then you have 19. So that means that would be the option number 3, 5, 10, 14, and 19. This would be the correct option. Got it? Okay, put these numbers in order from least to greatest. You have to arrange these numbers from least to greatest. So which is the least one? The least one is 23. Got it? Then after 23, which is the next one? Yes, it would be 23, 24, 25, and 26. Got it? The correct option is the last one, 23, 24, 25, and 26. That would be the correct option. Okay, put these numbers in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? 2, 19, 13, 2. Which is the correct option? It would be 2, 13, and 19. Very good. That would be option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, put these numbers in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? 16, 30, 17. Which is the correct option? It would be 16. Very good. It would be 16, 17, and 30. Got it? The correct option is 16, 17, and 30. The last option is the correct one. No. 6, 17, and 16. 16 is less than 17. 17 would be the greatest one. It would be 6, 16, and 17. Okay, put these numbers in order from least to greatest. 13, 14, 25, and 4. So which is the correct option? It would be 4, then 13, then 14, and then 25. Got it? The correct option is 4, 13, 14, and 25. That is option number 3. 4, 13, 14, and 25. That is the correct option. Okay, put these numbers in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? Very good. 15, 13, 9, and 17. So which is the correct option? The least one is 9. 10, which is the least one out of 13, 15, and 17. It would be 13. So it would be 9, 13, 15, and 17. Got it? The correct option is 9, 13, 15, and 17. Okay, put these numbers in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? It would be 27, 14, 18, and 29. So which is the correct option? Which is the least one? The least one would be 14. Then you have 18, then 27 and 29. It would be 14, 18, 27, and 29. That would be option number 1 is the correct option. Put these numbers in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? 11, 28, 21. Which is the correct option? It would be 11, 21, and 28. Got it? 11, 21, and 28. That would be the last option. Okay, put these numbers in order from least to greatest. 28, 18, 30, and 20. So which is the correct option? The least number is 18. Then you have 20. Then you have 28, and then you have 30. It would be 18, 20, 28, and 30. 18, 20, 28, and 30. That would be the correct option. Okay, put these numbers in order from least to greatest. 14, 10, and 11. So which is the correct option? It would be 10, 11, and 14. The correct option is 10, 11, and 14. The correct option is option number 1. Okay, put these numbers in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? 11, 18, 12, and 14. Which is the correct option? It would be 11, 12, 14, and 18. The correct option is 11, 12, 14, and 18. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next one is count shapes in a Venn diagram. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, how many shapes are squares? You have to calculate the shapes that are squares. You can see the Venn diagram. Here is you have two of the circles. One of them is named as orange and the second one is square. So you can count the one that would be in the section that is named as square. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. That means you have 4 of the square in the shapes. You don't have to count the one that are in the orange. Got it? You just have to count the squares. Basically, they are overlapping. Got it? This is the common portion for both square and orange. Got it? So these two are squares and orange as well. Got it? Okay, let's just see the next example. How many shapes are purple? So which is the correct option? You can see you have two of the overlapping shapes. They are purple and circle, but you need to count the one that are purple. You just have to count the one that are inside this square. Got it? 1, 2, 3. They are purple and also they are circle and purple. Got it? But they are purple. 1, 2, 3. They are the total shapes that are purple are 6. Got it? Basically, this area is the overlapping area. Overlapping area means that this area is from both the sections. Like you can see this portion, you have 3 circles here and they are purple. Got it? They have the common features from both the sections, square, circle and purple. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay. How many shapes are square? So which is the correct option? You can count all that are under this circle that is named as square. Got it? So how many squares do we have? Very good. You have 5 squares. The correct option is 5. Okay, how many shapes are blue squares? So which is the correct option? Blue and square. Which is the correct option? You have just 3 shape. These 3 shapes they are blue and square. You need to count the one that has both the features. They are blue and square as well. So you have just 3. The correct option is 3. How many shapes are purple? You just have to count the shapes that are in this circle. Got it? You have 1, 2, and 3. So the correct option is 3. You just have to count the shapes that are purple. So they are 3 shapes that are purple. Okay, how many shapes are square? Which is the correct option? You have You need to count the squares. You need to count all the items that are inside this circle that is named as square. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you have 4 squares. The correct option is 4. How many shapes are purple square? Which is the correct option? Purple and squares. So which is the correct option? Two of them are purple and square as well. Got it? You can see these two are purple and square. So the correct option is 2. Okay, how many shapes are purple squares? Okay, I forgot to click on the OK button. How many shapes are green? So which is the correct option? Yes, you have four shapes that are green. Got it? The correct option is four. Okay, how many shapes are circles? How many circles do we have? You have one, two, and three. You have three circles, so the correct option is three. How many shapes are blue? So which is the correct option? You have just three shapes that are blue. You need to count the shapes that are blue. So you have one, two, and three shapes are blue. Okay, I forgot to click on the OK button. Okay, how many shapes are circles? So which is the correct option? We have two shapes that are circle. You can see the two shapes here. They are circle. No, you have to count the circles. So you have one, two, and three circles. We have the correct option is three. Okay, how many shapes are blue circles? So which is the correct option? Blue and circles. Which is the correct option? You have just two of them. They are blue and circle as well. So the correct option is two. How many shapes are blue? So which is the correct option? How many shapes are blue? Three of the shapes are blue. Got it? They are one, two, and three. The correct option is three. How many shapes are circles? They are one, two, three, four, five. You have five circles. So the correct option is five. How many shapes are blue circles? So which is the correct option? Blue and circles. Which is the correct option? They are one and two. Two of the shapes are blue and circles. So the correct option is two. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. So let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is sort shapes into a Venn diagram. So let's just start with the next lesson. Basically, this sorting means you have to arrange the numbers. Got it? Okay, use the workbooks for extra practice. This is the same lesson as the lesson above. So that is exactly the same we just did. Let's see if we have test questions. No, you don't have test questions. Okay, let's just put numbers in order again because I think some of you need help with this lesson. Let's just start with the test questions again. Okay. Okay. Put these numbers in order from least to greatest. You have to arrange these numbers. How can you arrange them? The least means you have to write down the smallest number first. Then you have to go to greater, greater, and greatest. Got it? The last number is the greatest one of all the numbers. So how do you arrange them? Which is the correct option? Which is the least number here? The least one would be 0, then 15, and then 17. Very good. That would be option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is put these numbers in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? 27, 25, 22, and 24. Which is the least one? It would be 22, 24, 25, and 27. Got it? That would be option number 1. 22, 24, 25, and 27. Put these numbers in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? Yes, 5 is the least one. It would be then 5, 10, 14, and 19. The correct option is 5, 10, 14, and 19. Okay, put these numbers in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? 24, 25, 23, and 26. Which is the correct option? It would be 23, 24, 25, and 26. 23, 24, 25, and 26. That would be option number. The last one is the correct option. Okay, put these numbers in order from least to greatest. 19, 13, and 2. Which is the correct option? Yes, it would be 2, 13, and 19. The correct option is 2, 13, and 19. Put these numbers in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? It would be it would be 16, 17, and 30. The correct option is 16, 17, and 30 is the correct option. The last one is the correct one. Put these numbers in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? 13, 14, 25, and 4. Which is the correct option? It would be 4, 13, 14, and 25. The correct option is 4, 13, 14, and 25. It would be 9, 13, 15, and 17. Got it? The correct option is 9, 13, 15, and 17. Put these numbers in order from least to greatest. 27, 14, 18, and 29, which is the correct option? It would be 14, 18, 27, and 29. Option number 1 is the correct option. Put these numbers in order from least to greatest. 11, 28, 21, which is the correct option? Yes, it would be 11, 21, and 28. Got it? Okay, put these numbers in order from least to greatest. 28, 18, 30, and 20, which is the correct option? It would be 18, 20, 28, and 30. The correct option is 18, 20, 28, and 30. Put these numbers in order from grade least to greatest, which is the correct option? 14, 10, and 11. The correct option is 10, 11, and 14. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 1 maths. Chapter we're working on is sorting, ordering, and classifying. The lessons we have covered today are put numbers in order, count shapes in a Venn diagram, and sort shape into a Venn diagram. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.